Hamajanelu, here I am the Puteshinga from Nangshipi Marpiral. Again, I have come up with a new live today. I welcome all of you to my live. Me, Topate Singhanam Shipi Mar Piraletto, Matiasu, Habe more Ajikar, Ratikar Live Tanaka, Shambhasa Janilu, Bananusha Janilu, Habia Hia Yodik, Yaditik, Ami, Amatare, Porong Porong Kudagujudik, Annie, Mimaturi Kotan, Habire, Shambhasa Janauri, Ahia Yodik. Me a live honor or Koragotite. More okora lahana se ohan dia hunui to utar age mi more channel gor kotha khani mi matani monauri habio har paso jodi noa manu ahi tara tanur ga japili ami maturi je more ed channel got mi imathare kotha kuchurori Vishnupriya Manipuri thare kotha kuchurori I speak in my mother tongue on YouTube. So I welcome all of you to my channel. I work there. I tell stories in my mother tongue. I recite poems. I recite rhymes. And I teach my language also. So I welcome all of you to visit my channel. Those who are interested to learn a new language, you can learn Vishnupriya Manipuri. It's a sweet language. It's my mother tongue. This language has been declared as endangered one. So it's my tiny effort to keep my mother language alive. So you are helping me, you are supporting me a lot, and I always welcome you to visit my channel to learn my language, that is Vishnupriya Manipuri. Here I begin my live, everyday live with my title song that is written in Vishnupriya Manipuri. So I'm going to share that song. Please be with me. Aho aho puloi khalbi yari hu Yari di aho aho puloi khalbi Yari hunyan Yari di imarthar han palkorik aho 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 puloi khalbi yari honi yari di aho aho puloi khalbi Bibula oya thailang kiya nijor kotha pahore tharhan nei re oi to oi ki খাল করিয়া যে হবি হানে ঠাড়হান নেইলে ওই তো কি খাল করিয়া যে হাবি হানে আহো আহো পুলো খাবি। ধন্যবাদ। Thank you for listening my song. This is my title song. I come every day live, so here I begin my live with this song. That is my title song. So thank you for joining me. Imran Jadi, hi, how are you feeling today, my mommy? How are you feeling? Yeah, I'm fine, Imran. Abneet, Anu, hello. I think you are new onto my live. Abneet, is it true? Your voice is so nice. Thank you. Imran Jiadi, nice poetry. Thank you, Imran. I welcome all of you. Namaste, not a Manipuri, but appreciate your efforts preserving your language. Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying at my level best for preserving, for keeping my language alive here. It's my mother tongue, that is Vishnupriya Manipuri. So I'm proud to say that I can speak in my mother language, that is Vishnupriya Manipuri. Vishnupriya Manipuri has been declared as endangered one. It's already recognized as the language, that is Vishnupriya Manipuri. So I will always welcome all of you to visit my channel, to visit my live. So thank you very much. I got to know your channel only, that Vishnupriya language exists. Your efforts definitely count, ma'am. Thank you. I don't know how much I'll be able to do to realize my aim. The main aim of my channel is to proliferate my mother tongue, that is Vishnupriya Manipuri. So I don't know how much I'll be able. It's your support. I can go forward. So thank you, Ji. I don't know the full name. Only I can see G, the big letter, capital letter G. So thank you very much for supporting me and for your nice words. I'm very much grateful to you. Is there anybody? Yeah, I can see some are on the top. Please come down and comment me. Your one comment inspires me a lot, and I can work confidently. So thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Hello. In everyday life, I teach some sentences in Vishnupriya Manipuri. Today also I have brought some sentences for you all. Those who are interested to learn this language, you can learn from my lives. So let me share these sentences with you all. Today's lesson, today's sentences are: the first sentence: I can do. I can do means I means me, can means paruri, do means korani. So it will be I can do, me korani, paruri. You can do. You means ti, can means paruri, do means korani. So it will be you can do, ti korani paror. Ti korani paror. Me korani paruri, ti korani paror. If it is ti, it will be paror. Paror. Okay. So if it is me, then it will be me korani paruri. Okay. The next sentence is he can do. He can do. He means ta. Ta korani parer. Okay. Ta korani parer. She can do. The next sentence, she can do means tei. She means tei. Tei korani pariri. Tei korani pariri. They can do. They means tanu. They can do tanu korani partara. Tanu korani partara. So if it is I, it will be paruri. If it is you, it will be paror. If it is he, parer. If it is she, paruri. Pariri. Sorry. If it is she, then it will be pariri. If it is they, partara. Okay. So the word changes in Vishnu Priya Manipuri according to the subject. According to the subject, if it is I, it will be me paruri. If it is you, ti paror. If it is he, ta parer. If it is she, tei pariri. If it is they, tanu partara. Me paruri, ti paror, ta parer, tei pariri, tanu partara. Okay. If I add two more or one more words, what it will be in Vishnu Priya Manipuri? Such as I can do, add two more words, this work. I can do this work. Me paruri, no. So this work, this means ere. Work means kamhan. I can do this work. Me ere kamehan paruri. Okay. You can do the cleaning. Cleaning means ngokhi korani. You can do ti ngokhi korani paror. He can do the shopping. He can do the shopping. Ta shopping korani parer. Shopping korani parer. Shopping means lona. Lona. Lona korani parer. She can do the project. Ta project. Tei project korani pariri. She can do the project. Tei project korani pariri. They can do the cooking. They can do the cooking. Tanu radani partara. Tanu radani partara. So today's sentences I have brought for you to learn are I can do this work. Me ere kamehan korani paruri. You can do the cleaning. Ti ngokhi korani paror. He can do the shopping. তা shopping korani parer. She can do the project. তা project korani parer. They can do the cooking. Tanu radani partara. Tanu radani partara. So these are the sentences I have brought you to learn today. So thank you for listening me. You can learn a new language. Is my mother tongue, that is Vishnupriya Manipuri. So it's not so tough language. If you want to learn, if you are interested to learn, you can visit my channel. There are so many videos uploaded on Let's Learn Vishnupriya Manipuri. You can learn my language. Not only that, in everyday life, I bring you the basic sentences. Through these lives, you can learn my language also. Mi tapudesin hoi nungsipi mar piraletto nikkadin dikrum lahori akrum madane akrum rati. Ji amarta aji robibar Sunday meeting ahan amarta thar private Sunday thar ajir sate mota meeting ahan asilwane temi khani tiluya ahiliu. So I'm very sorry that I'm late today because of a meeting I had, online meeting. So after that meeting, I have to join here. So I'm late today. I'm very sorry. So still some are already joined in my live. Thank you everyone for supporting me, for joining me. So Amar manu kunga so online ya habidemi sombasa janauri ahia yodik kotha gujurik yaridik yari hunik amarta ami Vishnupriya Manipuri ami baka je obosthanat asi amarta nyam bakam korani thokosego এহানাত আমি আগতো গৈ কথা গুজৰিয়াৰ মাতিয়াৰ কৰিয়াৰ কাম কৰিয়াৰ এহানে নৱৈতিগা আৰু মানুহ লাগে যে তাই বহিয়া আমি কাম করে পারতাঙ্গাই বিশেষ করিয়া যে তাই ফিল্ডে কাম করা নি পারতাই তো আমি আমার যেটা মানে যুবক সম্প্রদায় যেটা আছি তানুরে মি মোর এডে হ্যালো বরুণ হেল্ল' বৰুণ আছা নেকি মই ধৰিব পৰা নাই কি বা হৈছে Hello, Varun. Can you hear me? Tore aji nyampa. Oh, habbago paro na tite Varun. Tharhan. Hey, tite habbago paror. তো মিয়াজি শিকাইলেও সেন্টেন্স কতখান যেমন আই ক্যান ডু, ইউ ক্যান ডু, হি ক্যান ডু, শি ক্যান ডু, দে ক্যান ডু। Ti the basic sentence utai monar. Anakami already I have taught today some sentences, and I can do this work. You can do the cleaning. He can do the shopping. Sade. They can do the cooking. Sade Korea. He kelumi. Are you interested to learn these sentences? She can do the project. Ebur moi hikalu aji. If you are তো I can do কি হব আমার ভাষাত মি কৰানি পারুরি I means me, do means korani, so I can do me korani paruri. Can means parani, me korani paruri. Yes, I can do. You can do. Ti, you means ti, korani paror. Only the difference, ti and paror. Korani will be same. Ti, korani, paror. Paror, yes, paror. And if it is he can do. He means ta. Ta, korani, parer. Parer, R-E-R. Parer. Ta, korani, parer. Exactly. She can do. She means tei. Tei, T-E-I, tei. Tei, korani, pariri. Pa-ri-ri. Tei, korani, pariri. She can do. Yes, tei, korani, pariri. They can do. They means tanu. Tanu. So it will be they can do. Tanu Korani Partara. Tanu Korani Partara. Tanu Korani Partara. Exactly. Exactly. Only the subject and the verb. You can see the changes on the subject and verb. If it is me, Paruri, okay, me Paruri, okay, Korani will be the same. Ti Paror, Ta Parer, Tei Pariri, Tanu Partara. Okay, this is a structure actually. We can put here dance, okay, do. Instead of do, we can put here dance. So it will be me nasani paruri, ti nasani paror, ta nasani parer, yes. Tei nasani pariri, tanu nasani partara. Same thing, only the verb is changed here. Okay. Now one more thing you can do, lengthening of the sentences. Suppose I can do with these, I can put two more words. I can do this work. I can do this work. Me, this means ere. What means kamhan. So it would be me ere kamhan korani paruri. Me ere kamhan korani paruri. Next sentence. You can do the cleaning. Me ere kamhan korani paruri. Exactly. Second sentence, you can do the cleaning. Okay, in that way also you can say, no? You can do the cleaning. Ti ere kamhan korani paror. Yes, if it is this work, then ere kamhan. If it is the cleaning will be ngokhi. Cleaning. Ti ngokhi korani paror. If it is this word, then you are correct. Ti ere kamhan korani paror. Yes, it is correct. Yeah, we can say this sentence in other way. No, suppose you can do the cleaning. Cleaning. Ti ngokhi korani paror. Exactly. Exactly. Ti ngokhi korani paror. The next sentence, he can do the shopping. Shopping. Ti shopping korani paror. Ta shopping korani parer. Ta. If it is ta, then parer. Ta shopping korani parer. Shopping means lona, bostu lona. So shopping, you can say shopping. Ta bajar korani parer. Good. Bajar korani parer. Yes. She can do the project. She can do the project. Tei project korani pariri. Tei project han. Da is there, no? So project han korani pariri, you can say. Tei project han project korani pariri. Yes, that is also correct. They can do the cooking. Cooking. Tanu radani partara. Cooking means radani. So it will be Tanu radani partara. They can do the cooking. Tanu radani partara. Tanu, Radhani. Radhani, if we say Radhani, no need to say Korani, okay? Radhani is included Korani. So Tanu, Radhani, Partara. No need to say Korani. Okay? Tanu, Radhani, Partara. Okay. So these are the sentences I have taught today. In the beginning already I have taught. Since you have come here, so again I have taught you also the sentences. Now you can ask some sentences and I can translate those in Vishnupriya Manipuri. এবার আমি তোরে কিছু প্রশ্নই উদাউরিম। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। হুদুরি অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা আঙ্করানি, প্রশ্ন আঙ্করানি। ওকে, ইন Vishnupriya we say আঙ্করানি। এবার আমি তোরে প্রশ্নখানি Angkorani Monauri. Angkorani, yes. Ankorori, yes. Ankorori. Okay. Okay. Ask me, what do you want to know? Basic Hudim Kisuman Prashna. Okay. Basic. Tumi asa. Tumi aha. Acha, tumi aha. That means you come, no? T-I. T-I. Tumiyaha means T-I. Tumi jua, T-jaga. T-jaga. T-I, tumiyaha. Tumi jua, T-jaga. Tumi khua, T-khabela. T-khabela. You sing a song in that way. In that sense you are asking me. Hi. That means T-eladori. T-eladori. You sing. Tumi gua. Acha. Tumi gua. Acha, you sing. Tumi gua means T-elade. T-elade. Tumi gua. T-elade. Tumi ubhoti aha. Tumi ubhoti aha. Ti aluya I. Tumi ubhoti aha. The Pankaj, after a long time, said hi. Hi. Tumi ubhoti aha means ti aluya I. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Pankaj. How are you? Hi, Barun Bhai. Pankaj is saying, you leave me alone. You leave me alone. Hi, Pankaj. You leave me alone. Acha. Uh, you means ti, okay? You leave me alone means ti more, me means more. Akhulago thana de. Ti more, akhulago thana de. Ti more, akhulago thana de. मैम को पूछा लैंग्वेज सीख रहा हूँ मैं अच्छा okay yeah he's learning Vishnupriya Manipuri. Ma'am, the sentence and Baramat. Leave me alone. You leave me alone. Hi. Ti me means more. Ti more. Akhulago thana de. Alone means akhulago. Leave means thana de. Ti more akhulago thana de. Ti, you means ti. You means ti, okay? आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो and आपका outfit. अच्छा, I'm a teacher, no, actually. And all the mothers are teachers, actually. তুমি মুখ এৰি দিলা আচ্ছা তুমি means তি তুমি মুখ means more, okay? তুমি মুখ এৰি দিলা তি মৰে এৰা দিলে almost same. তি মৰে এৰা দিলে yeah, yes, ma'am, I know it. Yeah, actually, mothers are teachers, no? Such a cute grandmother, my. I love to talk to you. Acha. I means me, love. Hoba pauri. Love means haba pauri. To talk to you. Tor loge totorani. Me tor loge totorani haba pauri. Me tor loge. To you means tor loge. To talk means totorani. Love means hoba pauri. Me tor loge totorani hoba pauri. बॉर्डन भाई को पक्का विष्णुप्रिया लैंग्वेज की लड़की को प्रेस करना है तभी मेहनत कर रहा है भाई Maybe, who knows? नहीं नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। से तो मुझे 8 लैंग्वेजेस आती है, तो क्या मैं अब सब लैंग्वेज में हाँ yeah, that's also true. Your smile is separate. Actually, if everybody smiles, no, they look pretty. A2 hosa he hoy plus লগর কি ট্রান্সলেট কৰি দিয়ক কোনটো ট্রান্সলেট আচ্ছা your smile is so pretty আচ্ছা your smile হ'ব ন your smile means তোৰ মুখছি হাই তোৰ মুখছিহান জবৰ chuna. So means jobber, pretty means chuna. You know this word, no? Chuna. Your smile, tor muksihan, jobber, chuna. Yes, actually language helps you to understand their culture better. Exactly, Pankaj. Yeah. Tor muksihan jobor chuna. Eight. আচ্ছা How to maintain this weight? I don't know how. It's sounds like similar to Bengali and Odia language. Yeah, Pankaj, you are true. You are right because we are from the same family. Vishnupriya Manipuri, Odia, Bengali, Assamese. We are from the same family. Hosai to plus translate. আচ্ছা translate করে দিই what did you ask me? What did you ask me? Pankaj da, I know Bengali and Odia both. Yeah. তোমার সেন্টেন্সটা গুছিয়ে গেল না you means the maintain how do means kisade you means the maintain thonaparurita this ere beautiful chuna muksi smile means muksi on your face tor meithong hanat ti tor meithong hanat ere chuna muksihan kisade thona parurita. It's a long sentence. Of course, brother, that's why you are able to understand Vishnu. That's why you are able to. Yeah. Actually, I told you, these languages are from the same family. Purvanagari family, okay? That is Bengali, আমি ভালো আছি, Assamese, মই ভাল আছো, Odia, মু ভালো আছি, Vishnupriya Manipuri, মি হবা ওয়া আছো, হবাইয়া, হবাইয়া, YA, হবাইয়া আছো, Hindi, मैं ठीक हूँ. हाँ. Vishnupriya Manipuri, hobaya aছো. Mi hobaya aছো. Mi hoba, exactly. Hobaya aছো. Hobaya, hobaya aছো. Hobaya aছো. Mi hobaya aছো. আমি ভালো আছি, মি হবায়া আছো. Bengali, Assamese, Odia, Vishnupriya Manipuri, Hindi. Bengali, Assamese, Odia, Vishnupriya Manipuri, Hindi. 5 sentences. Yeah. জবর হবা করে হি কর বরুণ তে হবা লাগেছে দেহিয়া ধরে এবারে সিনসিয়ার বয় মি হবায়া আছো. হয় তামিল না নাল্লা ইরুকে. Iruke means hoba, nalla means asu, na means me. Na nalla iruke, Telugu, nenu बापरे बोल भैया मैंने सब बोल दी जितना आती है. अच्छा भाई वो अंजलिका वाला गाना समझो देना बेंगली का. समझा देना बेंगली का मंजुलिका हाँ বলুন বুঝি পালা मंजुलिका का गाना क्यों नहीं हाय हाय हाँ मंजुलिका मेरे ढूलना तुम प्यार के धुन I learn South language someday for yeah sure learning is good no anything we can learn and very interesting learning language I'll learn South language someday for sure yeah English, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, Haryanvi, Dogri. Only 6 now. Yeah. You can plus 2 more. Telugu and Tamil. No. South language. I cover North India. Yeah, exactly. Dugdi. Next target, South India. Go to South India and learn languages. मेरे प्यार के আমি মঞ্জুলিকা আজ দুর্গাষ্টমী আছে আমি রাজাকে কি खून हाँ पीबो अच्छा मैं मंजुलिका हूँ आज दुर्गाष्टमी है आज राजा का खून पीऊँगा हाँ अरे एकदम तत्क्षणात हो गया There is a village in south where everyone speaks Sanskrit and they also teach Sanskrit. Oh, acha. Nice thing they are doing, no? Sanskrit is dead language now. Only because of not speaking this language. Such a rich language, Sanskrit, but it's, I think, tough, no, for us to learn. Yes, this village belongs to Karnataka. But the real condition is you have to stay in Gurukul and live there 6 months to learn at least. Yeah. Hmm. मत्तुर नाम हो उसका मत्तुर अच्छा मत्तुर नाम हो उसका अस गाँव का अच्छा उस गाँव का नाम मत्तुर है मत्तुर But if you are able to do it, then other South languages are easy to understand. Ah, ah. Actually, their language also like it sounds like Sanskrit only. Namaskaram. They say Namaskaram. Okay, so like Sanskrit only. Yes, true. Sanskrit is the origin, no, for all languages in India. Okay, Nima, Morta Baka Janathok. Yeah, let me conclude today. Even me, Kerala, Malayalam, Andhra, Telugu, Tamil, Nadu Tamil, Karnataka, Kannada. अच्छा तमिलनाडु तमिल हाँ केरला मलयालम आंध्र तेलुगु तमिलनाडु तमिल कर्नाटका कन्नड़ा हाँ there are so many languages no Bape. Okay then let me conclude today. Nice to meet you all. Thank you for joining me. Pankaj, after a long time you joined here. Thank you very much. Borun to tumi ahai yate. Borun comes. Today afternoon also he came to visit here. So, Namaskaram ma'am. Shubharatri ji. हाँ Shubharatri. Pankaj Bhaiya, good night. Pankaj Bhaiya, good night. Shubharatri. Namaskaram. So, Imam, hi, good night, Param Bhai. Acha. So, let me conclude today. Meet you again. Thank you for watching this live. Dhanavad. Namaskar. Hi, Kali Baru Nai Tangai. Hi, Kali Baru Nai Tangai. Meet you again. Nungsi Parati. Hi, Nungsi Parati.